We're starting with the meatloaf, and we start with like 3 pounds of ground turkey, and this is sautéed bell peppers, red onions, garlic, and thyme, basil, and oregano.
Yeah.
And then we sauté it first to like open up all the flavor in there, and then we get it in the raw meat.
Sweat it out.
Sweat it out.
Sweat it out. You want a little S&P? A little salt, pepper on the meat?
Yes, salt me up. And then...
Salt and pepper's here.
And then we put...
I wish salt and pepper were here. They're fun.
No, so much fun.
That's a good time.
Then this is a little secret that our mom does. You put the tomato paste in the turkey.
In the meatloaf.
In the meatloaf.
Mm-hmm.
And then you stir it all up.
I'm getting started on my mashed potatoes. We use red potatoes, and we keep the skins on them.
Right.
I'm gonna put a little bit of milk in here, which I've already put a little bit more, and a little bit of butter.
You want a little bit of butter?
Yeah,
Couple
can you help me
pats of
out
butter?
with-
Yeah.
Well, I love my butter.
Got
All
it.
right, well,
Got it.
do a lot of butter.
Give me a
then.
lot of butter.
Butter.
Come on, Rachel, give me my butter now. Yes, girl.
More butter.
Yes, more butter. A little salt and pepper for me, too,
A little salt and
please.
pepper, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
All right, so now what?
We get that into the pan.
This guy goes in there.
Goes in there
Let's
and
just
becomes
say we did
this.
that.
We did that. We did that.
It's done.
And then
And then it
this
looks
gets
like
in
this.
the oven for 375 for about 40 minutes.
I see, so you par bake the
Right.
meat part.
And then you'll potato it.
And then you potato it.
Potato this.
Come on, get that
Just
good.
slap it on.
I think it's brilliant, though. and
So you just
Rest
paint
assured, I'm gonna rip that off and do it a lot.
And then we start working on our sauce. So I've got some tomato paste, some water. I'm gonna put some granulated garlic in here. Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Yes. We're gonna just pour this on top.
You're gonna slather. Can I slather?
Please slather.
I want to slather
I've always
for you.
wanted to see Rachel slather.
it. Ooh! That goes back into the oven for about 15 minutes.
And then, should we show them this one?
Yes. Voila.
All right.
You got meat and potatoes.